Hi all, Dr. Sydney here, and I wanted to go over real quickly with you where to find information about your groups. Now you do know this week you have a group project where you need to put something together for me, and it's really quite easy to find. If you look over on the left hand side, you're going to see a tab that says People. You're going to go ahead and click on People, and when that comes up, you're going to see right up here your group assignment. If you click on that group assignment, you'll see the groups and who's set up there, and if you click down one more, you can see the people who are involved in that group project. That will allow you to work together with your partner and then to submit your project in the proper place. So again, for your group project, go over to People and then go to Groups, and you'll be able to find who you're working with this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Bye.